Hi guys, this is the Affiliate Hustler back again with a new video, and in today's video I want to show you how you can run ads and earn money by doing simple videos on YouTube. In this case, by doing YouTube ads and implementing affiliate marketing with it. Now, make sure to stay until the end so that you fully understand this method, and if you also want more affiliate marketing content and make money online ideas, please hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so that you get notified when I release a new video. And yeah, let's get into the video. This is a good one. So in today's video I want to show you an affiliate product that is very good for doing YouTube advertising. Now, no one is utilizing or using YouTube ads for affiliate marketing, and this is good because it means that if less people are using YouTube ads to get traffic to an affiliate link or affiliate product, it means there is less competition. Now, obviously, there is a catch to YouTube. Now, the thing with YouTube is that to run ads, you have to make a video to run ads, because otherwise you won't be able to run ads, because the ads have to be videos done from you or that someone gave to you to run ads to. So that's the only downside and of doing YouTube ads, but it's the downside and it's not a downside, because people like you are scared of doing videos and don't want to do video ads. So that's an advantage for this is an advantage and an opportunity for you to take action and start doing videos, easy videos, to start making money with YouTube ads and start running YouTube ads. Now, many people think that doing video ads for YouTube is somewhat complicated, but that is not the absolute. That's quite the opposite. Doing YouTube ads, it's quite simple actually. Now, if we, in this case, I want to show you even a better way. And I'm not going to show you how to do video ads, but in the next videos or in some of the videos that I'll be uploading, I'll show you how to do video ads. It's very simple. Now, in this case, I want to show you something even easier for you that you could start using. And this method, you don't have to create any videos. And this is by promoting John Crestani's super affiliate system, his auto webinar funnel. Now, if you go to his affiliate page here and you click on johncrestani.com JVs, he has a lot of resources for you to use, including YouTube ads, Facebook ads, email swipes, banners. Now, I know this, I don't like a lot this webinar funnel. It's just a personal thing. Like, I just don't like his product, but the way that you could promote this product is very easy. As you can see, you have free traffic method swipes, GVA email swipes. It teaches you how the product works on the backend, meaning on the email list of John Crestani, and how they promote in the backend the product. Facebook ads, and this is the one that we are interested in. This is YouTube ads. If we click on YouTube ads and we go here, you will see that he gives you a lot of videos. This is a Google Drive folder full of video ads that you can copy and paste to start bringing traffic through YouTube. Now, this is as simple as going to the JV page, grabbing a video, and then use it through your ads. Now I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube ad. It's very simple. Now, many people think that for YouTube you will have to create a landing page, but I got a way where you could just direct link to this offer, for example, without even creating a landing page. So I will show you all what I mean here. So what you will do is go here, and you obviously grab the one that you want and applies for your country, and you will go here and it says download. Click download, and you will click download anyway. And then once you have downloaded your video, now it's time for creating the ad. Now the thing, well, let me create the ad first. So what you will do is go to video campaigns. You will first have to create a Google Ads. It's ads.google.com, and you will create a video campaign. I have created in the past a promotion for John Crestanis, but I will show you from scratch. I will show you from scratch how to make a new campaign. So you will go to campaigns, hit the plus button, the blue plus button, and you will hit new campaign. In this case, we are going with website traffic because we don't have any. We don't own the sales page of John, so we don't have to add any pixel. And we will click on website. We will click on website traffic, video, and we will hit continue. Here put your video campaigns. In the video strategy, put maximize conversions, and budget. Well, here is in my currency, which is Argentinian pesos, but what I would recommend you is to put for this, because this product, I would recommend you to put daily an amount of money that is proportional to the total value of the product. In this case, the super affiliate system is $100. Yes. So what I would do is I would if you would run the campaign for 30 days, I would distribute those $1,000 every day. So that would be my daily spend for the next 30 days for this campaign. Now, if you're going to do it for 50 days, just divide that K into those 15 days, and that will be your daily budget. Now you're asking, why would you do that? Because if you think about it, to get profitable with any product online and with any campaign, with any paid advertising campaign, you'll have to spend more than the value of the product. Like, I see so many rookies and many newbies on affiliate marketing make this same mistake. They spend on ads less for what the product is valued, or less for the cost of the product, and then they see that they didn't get any sales, and they think that the product didn't work. Now that's the problem. You have to spend same or more of the total cost of the product. In this case, the super affiliate system costs $1,000. So you will have to spend, distributed through the days of your campaign, those $1,000. If you want to do it in 30 days, if you want to do it on 50 days, that's up to you. But I always recommend to spend at least the total cost of the value of the product. Now, you will go here and you will put your daily budget. In this case, I'm going to put $50. That's 3,200 pesos. So ad groups, ignore this. Don't put locations. Obviously, put the first 5: United States, Australia, Canada, New Zealand, and the United Kingdom. Those are the five locations you want to put. Demographics, put any age, any audience. You then have to optimize your ad once you start seeing some traffic is coming in. And here is the fun part. So you will have to upload the video that that you have just downloaded from here, from Google Drive. You will have to upload it to a YouTube account as unlisted. So it's easy. You go just to YouTube. You just go to YouTube then you drag and drop the video, and instead of put it on public and polish it on public, you will click here and put it on as unlisted. Then what you'll do is you will go to the ad, and he will say here and create your video ads, and here you will paste the video URL that that YouTube will give you once the video is uploaded, and you will put it here on the create your campaign. Yes, placements, this is where your YouTube will be showed, but what I recommend you is to put topics related to the niche of your products, like digital marketing, affiliate marketing, make money online, those kinds of topics. If you are selling on a health product, put something like health and fitness, beauty, topics related to the product you're going to promote. Now this is all for this video. Now as I said, remember, this is important, spend at least the cost of the product you're going to promote. So let's say in this case the product costs $100,000. Don't expect to make sales spending $100. Yes, you will have to spend at least the cost of the cost of the product to start seeing some results. Yes, and this is a very easy method because you have all done for you. Now, I want to show you how to, let's put a video of mine so I can show you how to bypass the link, because as you can see, as you may know, you can't put affiliate links on Google Ads. That's not allowed. But what you can do is I discovered the method that will allow you to put the affiliate link directly to the ad, to Google Ads. Now what you'll do is you will get to that's your affiliate link. But in order to put directly put your affiliate link into ClickBank, you will have to grab this link. It will say start.imjetset.com/hop equal, and this is your affiliate ID, so that ClickBank knows that you are the affiliate. So in this case it will be hop and your ClickBank username. Yes, so just grab this link, and let's first upload a video of mine. So I've grabbed a video of mine. Now this is the way. Here where it says final URL, you will go to the sales page, and I will put the link $hop, and here will be your affiliate ID. Remember that this is the way that ClickBank will know that you are the affiliate driving traffic, and thus making the commissions for any sales. Yes, so you will go here and you put HTTPS and the URL. Now in the display URL, you will remove this, and we will say start.imjetset.com, and this is the way that Google Ads will allow you to direct link to the offer. Now isn't this crazy? Like, anyone, not a single person is doing this method, and you can start driving direct traffic to the offer without even doing a landing page with YouTube ads that no one is using. So I really encourage you to start doing this method because it works. I've done this in the past, and yeah, YouTube will approve your ad, I guarantee you that. So if you like this video, please like, comment, let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and please you like this video so that you help me with the YouTube algorithm. So guys, see you till next video.